Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get food in Infinite Craft. Or to do that, let's put in here Earth right here. Now, since we have Earth, let's head over and add another element, which is water, and then merge them together. Now we have plant. So for this right here, let's head over and add fire right here, and then put water on that fire, and now we have steam. Since we have these two together, we can use this in order to create another element. So for this right here, we have the steam. So for this, let's head over and add another element, which is fire to that steam. Now we have the engine. So for this engine, let's add another element, which is earth, and then merge them together. And now we have here a tractor. So for this tractor, let's add in here earth again, and then we have here a farm. So for this farm, let's head over and put the plant right here and merge them to the farm, and now we have food. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!